Hi, it's Kira. Welcome back to another video. So I'm starting the day off a little annoyed because I was supposed to have an appointment with my therapist this morning and it got rescheduled again. I am not rescheduling these appointments, by the way. I just want to preface that because I need these appointments and I would not be rescheduling them. There are valid reasons and my phone is going off and it's so annoying. Anyway, and then I was supposed to hang out with my friend today, but then I woke up and realized once I start walking around the house, I noticed that there's laundry that needs to be done, and then I go in my kitchen and open my fridge, groceries need to be bought. I go back to work tomorrow and I definitely need to do these things today. I hate doing stuff on the days that I actually work. And I went to get air yesterday and all that work that I put into doing my hair, I sweated it out. So I will also have to redo my hair today. As much as I know that I probably shouldn't, I also want to go to Michael's because I want to get some DK weight yarn. I really want to crochet certain things with a thinner type of yarn. And I want to try that out because I'm really only used to type 4 weight yarn or higher. I've never really worked with anything thinner than that. Maybe I'll look at Walmart while I'm there first and see kind of if Walmart has any DK weight yarn, and then go to Michael's afterwards. I refuse to go to Hobby Lobby. That's just me. The plans that I did have are no longer happening, which kind of sucks because I really wanted the social time. I also have to prioritize my mental health, which means if I leave my house a mess and do things that need to be done, then I'm gonna be stressed about it all night and tomorrow and whatever. Trying to find the motivation to do this. Now I'm just sad. I also will be upping my dose of my medication today because this will be the full 7 days that I went on a lower dose. So now it's time to up my dose. Hopefully my body is used to it and I don't have any type of reactions. I'm just ready for this to start working. I know it's like 4 to 6 weeks. I'm struggling. And that's just real. This is real life of a 30-year-old trying to figure out their life that does not have their shit together. Yeah. My daily scent combo I wanted to share with you guys, which I'm almost out. I'm gonna have to get a new one soon, but I do the YSL Black Opium and then this viral perfume from TikTok. Every day I go to work, someone's always either like a customer or someone at work is like, oh my god, who smells so good? So layer your perfumes, guys, and they will last all day. Looking at the trees. I'm thinking about having a car with black interior. Oh my god, it is so hot. I think we might just go ahead and go to Michael's first because I'm gonna be getting groceries from Walmart, so I really don't want them sitting in the car the whole time while we're in Michael's. I also put sugar on my list because I want to try and do the DIY sugar wax. I want to try that. We're in Michael's and I found some DK weight yarn. So I'm thinking of getting this one. It's the Silky Soft Bayo Bamboo, it looks like. They have a lot of different colors. Really no dark greens, which is kind of like what I would prefer. So I don't know, I'm thinking about doing like some burnt orange colors maybe. But they do have like some neutral tone colors and these are $6.99. And as far as I'm looking, I do not see any sales today. So what I'm mainly looking to do though is some bandanas. So this one looks good for one of the bandanas that I am looking to do. I might get 2 of these and do like this color for a separate one. It's kind of like a rose-ish color. I went ahead and decided to get the ones that I showed you. I got 3 of the Silky Soft Band from Bamboo, the loops and threads. These are all weight 3. So I got 3 of this color, and then I got one of this color. I definitely want to do the dragonfly bandana with that. And the other 3 colors I might attempt to make a lightweight top. I don't know, but we shall see. But I got the yarn that I said I was going to get, so now we're going to head to Walmart and actually get groceries, which is the main reason we are out today. I was able to find some yarn at Walmart too, and I will show you guys that in a second. I'm just getting Sunny some ice cream. The yarn that I got from Walmart is also a worsted, or not worsted, a weight 3 yarn. Walmart didn't really have that many to choose from as far as weight 3 yarn goes, so I'm glad that I did go to Michael's first. But I still was able to get one little thing of weight 3 yarn to try out. So let me go ahead and show you guys that this is the weight 3 yarn that I got from Walmart. Really quick, while I am putting away the groceries, I wanted to show you guys the things that I got to try this week that I've never had before. So obviously I told you that I would be getting the Silk almond milk, vanilla almond milk for my coffee, because I am pretty much almost out of the, I think, what is it, Blue Diamond almond milk, Almond Breeze, I don't know. And then I saw this and I had to grab it because I was like, excuse me, dark chocolate? Yes. So it's the Silk almond milk dark chocolate milk. Like, huh? I hope I like it. I don't know. And then I also got these Nut Duos. They're ranch flavored almonds and buffalo flavored cashews. So I thought these would be a fun little snack to have, because I've really been wanting to have like a snack nut. The trail mix has been really nice, but I want like flavored nuts like this. So yeah, that would be pretty nice. And this is more, I would say, on the sweeter side, because it's got the yogurt flavored cranberries, the raisins, and the sweetened dried cranberries in there. So that's more on the sweeter side. And then I had also got these chocolate toffee pistachios, which obviously those are a sweet item too. So I feel like it would be cool to try a savory snack. Very excited, and I am so happy that I am on this journey right now of trying all these different nut items. I don't know. If you were allergic to something for a long time and then you recently found out that you're not allergic anymore, only you would really understand. But I don't know, it's pretty cool. I also realized, okay, earlier I said to you guys that I just want my medicine to work, and then I kind of thought about it. Maybe it is working. I know that it takes like 4 to 6 weeks to start working. I also realized that like I uploaded 3 fucking YouTube videos in the last like week, and then I'm sitting here again recording. And I have not had any motivation to do that in a long time. Maybe it's a combination of just knowing that like I'm moving in the right direction with like therapy and stuff like that, that I've started to kind of get my spark back. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna doubt it anymore. I'm not gonna doubt it anymore. And if it's a placebo effect, that's fine too. I fully support it. Fully support it. I thought I would share that food for thought, because I was realizing like, wait, I just want this to work, but maybe it kind of is working. I don't know. And I know it has to do with like your DNA too. I do have family members that are also in therapy and taking medicine and stuff, and it's worked for them for multiple years. So yeah, who knows? Maybe we're on the up and up, just in time for summer. I don't know. Before I forget, I realized that I need to go ahead and feed my sourdough starter now. I'm gonna do the 1:1:1 ratio, which will be about 4 to 6 hours to take it to get it. I'm talking too fast. It's going to take about 4 to 6 hours for it to reach its peak for me to be able to test to see if it's bake ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed it now, since it's already 1:35, because it should be ready around like 5:30. So I'm just gonna do 25 grams, 25 grams, 25 grams. It straight up smells like nail polish, remember today. If I remember correctly, it's a good sign.
How does it smell? Does it smell yummy?
It smells like nail polish remover. This is how much flour I have left. I already put the 25 grams of flour in there, so this may be the last time that I am using my mixture. Fingers crossed. I went ahead and started my 4-hour timer. So we're gonna check on her around 5:43, and if she has reached her peak, bless you. If she has reached her peak, then we're gonna warm some water up, put it in a bowl, take a little bit, test it, and if it floats, that means she's good. That means the next time I feed her, I can bake with her. So, fingers crossed. I'm back, looking normal. I've done my hair. I still need to put laundry in the dryer, I'm pretty sure, which I will do that in a second. But I wanted to actually show you guys all of the skeins of yarn that I got from Walmart and Michaels before we get started on the sugar, because I wanted to do the sugar and get it out of the way, because I'm probably not going to be able to use it until tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure it has to cool completely. Not sure, but I showed you guys this one earlier. This is the one from Walmart, and it is a weight 3 yarn. I hope you can see that. Can you? I hope. Got 3 of the same color. Not really sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. They are a little heavy, which is nice, so it seems like there's quite a bit amount of yarn in there. But this is the label for that one. And like I said, this one is also a weight 3 yarn. I keep saying worsted weight yarn because I'm just used to that. And then this one I definitely want to do the dragonfly bandana with, because I think that would be really cute. But this color is very beautiful. This is the bluish teal yarn, and the exact colors for these are, this one is Deep Lake, very cute. And this green one is Margarita. And this one I'm pretty sure is Mauve. Yes. This is all of my weight 3 yarn that I got from Michaels and Walmart. So a nice little successful trip. I am going to keep an eye out for this brand specifically, and hopefully I like it. We are about to make sugar wax. Now this is my first time doing it, so I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. I figured why not try, because I've always wanted to do it. So I got some sugar, and the recipe that I found on TikTok calls for 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. They said you can use fresh squeezed lemons or lemon juice, so I figured why not just use the 100% organic lemon juice from Trader Joe's. That it's organic. If you haven't caught on by now, I use like a water bottle specifically for like to feed my sourdough starter, to make my coffee, and then now I'm gonna use it to
make sugar wax.
Make sugar wax. So we're gonna do a cup of sugar.
I think you got it.
Cup of sugar.
Yep. That's a lot.
So, full cup of sugar. Shake.
Okay. And then they said to turn it on like medium heat, so I'm gonna do exactly medium. And I have a little spatula here, and I'm just gonna give it a nice little good mix. I'll show you guys what's going on. I don't know exactly how long this is gonna take. I just know what color I'm supposed to be looking for. This is what it's looking like right now. And then when it starts to get like a golden color, I'm gonna put it in, like drop a little bit in some water, and if I can start to like form a little like pea-sized ball with it, then I know it's ready. There we go. It's 4:03 now, so we'll see how long it takes to get to where it's supposed to be. I wanted to show you guys this is the color that you're supposed to be looking for, and I'm about to put it in a container so it can start cooling down. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put this in like an airtight container, but I only have plastic containers right now. So I'm gonna clean out one of the jars that I have really fast. That way I can transfer it into an actual airtight container. Because I know most definitely if I put this in a plastic container, it will melt it. So, okay, learn from my mistake and have the container ready that you want to put it in, because it was almost extremely hard to put it in here. It got super messy, but yeah, I'm gonna let it cool in this container, and then I don't think we'll be able to use it today, but we might be able to try using it tomorrow. So, because it is, I mean, it's quite literally hot sugar. So, yeah, but I do have a little bit on my finger, and it is, you know, movable. So, for my first time making sugar wax, I think I may have did it right. I hope so. I had a piece that was like stuck on the spoon, and it's completely cooled. So, I know you have to like warm it up in your fingers. So, I'm gonna try this out right now to see if it'll work. So I know I have, obviously I have arm hair, so I'm just gonna like slide
That's kind of cool.
on my arm, and
if I can feel it,
bruh,
I feel it.
I don't know which way this is supposed to go. I can
Is it
feel
cold?
it pulling on my hair though. But I can't tell if it's like actually working.
Mom, can I touch it?
Yeah, I think I'm low-key pulling my hair out. Let me see on a spot where it's like, yeah, I feel it pulling my hair. Okay, yeah, this is working. That's insane. I've never done sugar wax before. Yeah, I see the hair in there. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Yeah, I can see hair in there. That's so crazy. I did the right consistency on my first try. It was just actually kind of nuts. Obviously it's gonna like take some time to really get the hang of like doing it correctly. Yeah, it's working. It is working, and I'm pretty sure all you do is just throw this away when you're done with it. So, well, this was a fun little project for the day, and now tomorrow I can actually like do my legs and stuff and not, you know, have to really worry about shaving, because I honestly hate shaving. I do not believe she is still not ready to bake with, because basically your sourdough starter should be doubling to tripling in size within 4 to 6 hours of every feeding. So unfortunately I don't think she's ready yet. Even with this 1-to-1, it has only been 4 hours. So I can give her another 2 hours. It's currently 5:46. But yeah, sad news. I do not think she's ready yet, but I'm just gonna keep feeding her consistently and see how